Good morning everyone. In the previous turn, I explained how to use exponents in solving some problems. So first I told you about standard form or scientific form, scientific notation. Let us recall it. Suppose you are given a number 43705,000. So it's a large number. So to make it easier to write and convenient to understand, we write this in standard form or scientific notation form. So what we do in this is we place the decimal after one digit starting from left. So that means decimal will be placed here after 4, and we count the number of digits after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 point, we will write all the significant digits after this. So 4.3705, these are significant digits and zeros in the end are insignificant. So since we are making this number small, this large number we are making small, 4 point something. So we have to write this as into 10 to the power something, and that 10 to the power something is number of digits lying after decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7. So this is called standard form or scientific notation form, which is used widely especially in scientific calculations. Then I told you about expanded form. So in expanded form, we write a given number. Suppose a number is given 59842. So we have to write this in expanded form. So we write every number multiplied by its place value. So 5 into 1000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way 9 into 1, 1, 2, 3. Plus 8 into 100 plus 4 into 10 and 2 into plus 2 into 1. Now this is a expanded form of this number. Now how do we use exponents here? Here we can write these numbers which are involving zeros as 10 to the power something. So 5 into 10 to the power, as many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power 4. 9 into 10 to the power 3. 8 into 10 to the power 2. And 4 into 10 to the power 1. Now here it is 1 only. So do you know x to the power 0 is 1? So we can write this as 10 to the power 0. Because we are writing everything as 10 to the power multiplied by 10 to the power. So here also we will replace this 1 by 10 to the power 0. Now open your books, exercise 4.3. Let us see question number 1. Here in this question you have to write the given number in standard form, which you already have learnt just now, revised also. So the number, let us do the second part. The number given is 3908.78. This you have to write in standard form. So what I told you how to write in expanded form? In standard form we write the given number by placing decimal after one digit. Now that means decimal should be placed after 3. 3.9808 something. But here a decimal is already placed. So this is already a decimal number. That means this decimal has to be shifted here after 3. So it would be 3.90878. The decimal has moved 3 places backward. So how many places backward? 3 places. So as many places as decimal moves backward, it will become 10 to the power those many places. So into 10 to the power 3, because we are making this number small, 3908 we are writing as 3 point something. So we have to write multiplied by 10 to the power something. So it is 10 to the power multiplied by 10 to the power 3, as many places as it is shifting towards left. Now let us see the 7th part. The number given is 318650000. So many zeros given here, and it's a large number. So I told you the use of exponents. It is used to write a given number in standard form so as to reduce this number and to write in a specific manner, in a short manner. So here we will place the decimal after 3, as we write in standard form after writing decimal after 1 digit. So 3 point, now all the significant digits will be written here, 1865 multiplied by 10 to the power. As many places lie after the decimal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So into 10 to the power 9. Now look at question number 2, second part. Here in this question you have to write the given number in decimal form. So though it is already in decimal form, but it is also in a standard form. So you have to convert this into normal decimal form. So here a decimal number was given, we have to write in expanded form. So we move the decimal backward after 1 digit. Here it is already given in standard form. So we'll move the decimal forward from standard form to normal form. How many places forward? As many number is given in power. So power, it has 5 in power. So 5 places decimal will move forward. So 1, 2, 3. So it has only 3 places and it has to move 5 places. So we will add 2 more zeros to it and we will write 120500. So decimal has moved how many places? It was here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So it has moved 5 places forward. So we have written this standard form in a normal decimal form. Though decimal is not there, you can understand that decimal has come here, so 0.0. And in end we don't write 0.0, so we'll leave the answer here. Now look at question number 3. Express the numbers appearing in the following statements in scientific notation or standard form. So here again a large number is given and you have to write the given number in standard or scientific notation form. So let us see the first part. The number given is 384 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and it is given in meter. So the distance between the earth and the moon is given this much meters, right? So you don't have to be concerned what is given distance or whatever. The idea is to use exponents to write this big number in standard form. So in standard form you learn to place the decimal after one digit. So after one digit, that means 3.84, and after this you have zeros. So multiplied by 10 to the power how many? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power 8 meters. So this is the answer. You wrote the given large number in standard or scientific form. Alright. Let us see the fourth part. In a galaxy there are an average these many stars. 1, 0, 0, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can see that this is inconvenient to write so many zeros. We have to count and then write. So it is better that we write this in standard form, and to write this, and since we write after decimal we write one digit at least, so we'll write 1.0. So 1.0 into 10 to the power, as many zeros are there. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1.0 into 10 to the power 11 stars are there. So this is the answer. Question number 4, first part. There are two numbers given here. Look at the numbers and you can easily recognize that they are given in a standard form, and we have to compare them. Now to compare them, look at the numbers. They are given in a standard form, that means each number has decimal after one place, right? So it is 4.3 and it is 3.01. So it appears this number is greater. But if you look at the power of 10, it is 14 here and 17 here. That means the difference in power is 3. It's much more greater than this number. So in spite of that this number was greater than this, since the power of this number is lesser than this, so this whole number will be shorter number, because this will be multiplied by 1000 14 times and this will be multiplied by 100 17 times. So if you are multiplying by 17 zeros, that would be greater than if you are multiplying by 14 zeros. So therefore 4.3 into 10 to the power 14 is less than 3.01 into 10 to the power 17. Now you must be thinking, if the powers also become same, the powers become same, then we will compare these two numbers, and whichever number is greater, then that number will become greater. Look at question number 5, second part now. You have to write the given number in expanded form. So the second part, the number given is 3006194. So this number you have to write in expanded form. So we write, you know how to write in expanded form, you already have learned. So let us write this in expanded form. 3 multiplied by 1, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 0 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus again 0 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 plus 6 multiplied by 1 0 0 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 0 0 plus 9 into 1 0 plus 4 into 1. So this is how do we write in expanded form. Now what is use of exponents in this? Here we are going to write this in exponential form. So we will write 3 into 10 to the power as many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. Same with 0 into 10 to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 to the power 4. We'll count the zeros and keep on writing. Now here I already told you 4 into 1. So this also will write 10 to the power something, since 10 to the power 0 is 1. So we'll write 1 as 10 to the power 0. Now this 0 multiplied by something becomes 0. So we can remove this in final answer. So 3 into 10 to the power 6. Then this we can ignore, and this also we can ignore. So we'll write 6 into 10 to the power 3 after this, plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 and plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. So this is the final answer. Now look at question number 6, second part. The question is to write the given expanded form in a normal number form. So the given number is this. So we write this in expanded form. 10 to the power 5 will write as many zeros as is the power. 1, 2, 3, 3 into 10 to the power 2 and plus 2 into 10 to the power 0 is 1, you know, right? Now we multiply this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros here. 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 you can multiply and write 5000 plus 300 and plus 2 into 1, that is 2. Now if we add all these numbers, we get the final number, that is 405,302. You can do normal addition as you always do. So we wrote the number in expanded form like this, and then we multiplied, and then we got the final number, and that becomes the answer. Thank you.